Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly I will show you how to buy Robux with a Paysafecard. So firstly, of course, open up a Roblox website or application, which I have on my screen right now. After that, log in into your account. So let me log in as well. Alright guys, now go to the Robux purchase page, and once logged in, locate and click on the Robux button at the top of the page. This will take you to the Robux purchase options where you can choose the amounts of Robux you wish to buy. On the Robux page, you will see the several packages with different amounts of Robux for various prices, just like you can see on the screen. Select the package you want. After that, choose the Paysafecard as a payment method. On the payments options page, look for the Paysafecard option. Select it to proceed with your purchase. Alright, and the last very easy steps are going to be entering your Paysafecard PIN, which is a 16-digit code found on your Paysafecard voucher, and complete the purchase. Once you've entered the PIN, click on the redeem or confirm, and the Robux will be added to your account after successful transaction, and after that you can enjoy your Robux. Guys, if this helped, press like on the video, subscribe. See you in the next one.